Welcome to ValueQuest, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews that elevate your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a game changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven. Stick around because later in the video we'll explore some creative, unconventional dishes you can whip up with this versatile powerhouse. But first, let's uncover why this oven deserves a prime spot in your backyard. Revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience with the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven. This isn't just another pizza oven, it's your gateway to restaurant-quality pizzas, grilled delicacies, and even artisan bread, all from the comfort of your home. Packed with standout features like a weather-resistant protective cover, a precision built-in thermometer, and multifunctional grill racks, this oven isn't just keeping up with competitors, it's setting the standard. In a market flooded with generic outdoor ovens, the Costway Pizza Oven rises above, offering the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style. Let's delve into its unique features, starting with the protective cover. When you invest in an outdoor cooking appliance, longevity is key. The Costway Oven's protective cover ensures that your investment stands the test of time. Crafted from high-quality 600D Oxford fabric, this cover is designed to brave any weather, shielding the oven from rain, dust, and harsh sunlight. This means you can leave the oven outdoors year-round without worrying about damage from the elements. Many competing ovens don't include a cover, leaving customers to seek aftermarket solutions. With Costway, you're covered, literally, right from the start. Next, the built-in thermometer. Achieving the perfect pizza requires precision, and the Costway oven delivers just that. The integrated thermometer allows you to monitor the cooking temperature effortlessly, ensuring consistent, flawless results every time. Unlike other ovens that require separate thermometers, or worse, leave you guessing, the Costway oven gives you control at your fingertips. Whether you're aiming for that crispy Neapolitan crust or a soft, pillowy center, you'll nail it with ease. Plus, the adjustable chimney and burning area let you fine-tune the firepower and smoke levels to cater to your specific cooking needs, offering a level of customization that sets this oven apart from the rest. Let's talk grill racks. These aren't just an added accessory, they're a gateway to culinary creativity. Imagine grilling juicy steaks, roasting vibrant vegetables, or baking a decadent fruit tart. The Costway Pizza Oven transitions seamlessly between these roles, making it an all-in-one solution for outdoor cooking. For bread lovers, it's a dream come true. From golden, crusty loaves to tender focaccia, the oven's versatility ensures that every bake is a success. The spacious cooking area, complemented by side storage shelves and a bottom storage compartment, provides ample space to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, making it perfect for hosting gatherings or family dinners. Performance is where the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven truly shines. This oven heats up rapidly, reaching the high temperatures needed for authentic, wood-fired style pizzas in just 5 to 10 minutes. It also excels at maintaining consistent heat for lower temperature dishes, making it suitable for everything from slow-roasted meats to delicate desserts. Compared to competitors, the Costway oven stands out with its superior heat retention and faster preheating times. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and constant pizza rotation. The oven's efficient design ensures even heat distribution, so every slice comes out perfectly cooked. The cordierite pizza stone included with the oven retains and locks in heat, ensuring that your pizzas have the perfect crust every time. Let's address a common concern: fuel efficiency. Whether you're cooking for a quick family dinner or hosting an all-day barbecue, the Costway oven optimizes fuel consumption for both short and extended sessions. This not only saves you money but also simplifies your cooking experience, allowing you to focus on what matters, enjoying incredible food with your loved ones. The oven's design accommodates various fuel types including wood, briquettes, and charcoal, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred fuel source based on availability and cooking preferences. Ease of use is another area where the Costway Pizza Oven excels. For beginners, this oven is surprisingly user-friendly. Struggling with pizza dough sticking to the peel? No problem. A light dusting of flour or semolina does the trick. Need to rotate your pizza for even cooking? The oven's design makes it a breeze, and if you're looking to up your game, experimenting with dough recipes and toppings is incredibly rewarding. Whether you prefer a crispy crust or a soft, chewy base, The Costway oven helps you achieve your ideal pizza every time. The included pizza peel and cooking grills add to the convenience, making it easy to handle your culinary creations safely and efficiently. Setup and portability are equally impressive. The oven assembles quickly and is equipped with 4 universal wheels, 2 with brakes and 2 without for easy movement. Hosting a backyard party? Simply roll it out and start cooking. Heading to a friend's house for a pizza night? The oven's portability makes it a perfect companion. Compare this to bulkier models that require multiple people to lift, and you'll see why the Costway oven is a clear winner. The foldable legs and removable chimney further enhance its portability, allowing for compact storage and easy transportation, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply moving it around your patio. Value is a key consideration for any purchase, and the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven delivers exceptional bang for your buck. Priced competitively, it offers premium features without the premium price tag. When you compare it to similar products on the market, the choice becomes clear. Costway provides a high-performing, feature-rich oven that doesn't compromise on quality or affordability. Real-life testimonials back this up. Families rave about how the oven has transformed their pizza nights, while tailgaters love its portability and ease of use. The oven's robust construction, combined with thoughtful design elements like the waterproof cover and built-in thermometer, ensures that you're investing in a durable, long-lasting appliance that will enhance your outdoor cooking experiences for years to come. Beyond performance, the oven's design is worth mentioning. Sleek, robust, and stylish, it adds a professional look to any outdoor space. But it's not just about aesthetics. The thoughtful construction ensures durability and safety. The protective cover, for example, not only shields the oven from the elements but also helps prevent accidental burns, a crucial feature for families with children. The sturdy metal frame and rust-proof metal tubes contribute to its longevity, ensuring that the oven remains a staple in your outdoor cooking arsenal. Now let's get creative. The Costway Pizza Oven isn't just for pizzas. Picture this: a smoky grilled salmon, perfectly roasted vegetables, or even a breakfast pizza topped with eggs and bacon. The possibilities are endless. For dessert, imagine a warm golden fruit tart straight from the oven. These unconventional uses showcase the oven's versatility and make it a must-have for adventurous home chefs. The comprehensive temperature guidance provided with the oven caters to a wide array of dishes, ensuring that whether you're cooking steak, turkey, bread, or vegetables, the results are consistently delicious. If you're new to outdoor cooking, don't worry. The Costway Pizza Oven makes it easy to get started. Use an infrared thermometer for precise temperature readings, and keep toppings simple to avoid burning. Over time, you'll develop your own tricks and preferences, turning every meal into a masterpiece. The included user guide offers detailed instructions and tips, ensuring that even novices can achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. Before we wrap up, let's paint a picture of what life could look like with the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven. Imagine hosting a pizza night in your backyard. The aroma of freshly baked dough fills the air as your family and friends gather around, sharing stories and laughter. Each person builds their custom pizza, from classic margarita to adventurous BBQ chicken or spicy pepperoni. The first bite of that perfectly crisp crust, oozing with melted cheese, leaves everyone wanting more. Or maybe it's a lazy Sunday morning. You fire up the oven to make a breakfast pizza, complete with eggs, bacon, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. By evening, it's roasting a tender, smoky salmon paired with grilled asparagus. You end the day baking a fruit tart, its golden crust and bubbling filling the perfect way to round out the meal. The Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven doesn't just cook food, it creates experiences, memories, and a love for outdoor culinary adventures. So, are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Imagine making the Costway Outdoor Pizza Oven the centerpiece of your gatherings, the tool that brings people together over incredible food. Click the links in the description below to learn more about this oven and other fantastic products like the Click and Grow Smart Gardens we mentioned earlier. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ValueQuest for more in-depth reviews, and leave a comment sharing your favorite pizza topping or dish you'd love to try with this oven. Your perfect backyard cooking companion is just a click away. See you next time.